We're not worthy. I love that. You're cool. Alright, folks, next up is Northfield, Minnesota, 1951. 825 miles of Kenworth. How about that? Not bad. For a truck that's 19. Alright, take a look. Wendy's carrying the poster around here.